Welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving deep into the specs of a legend, the all-new 2024 Ford Ranger Wildtrak 4x4. This truck isn't just about rugged good looks, it's engineered to conquer any terrain you can imagine. First up, size matters, especially when you're tackling off-road challenges. The Wildtrak boasts a commanding presence with an overall length of 5,370 mm, a width of 1,918 mm, and a height of 1,884 mm. That translates to a spacious interior and the ability to handle uneven terrain with confidence. Speaking of tackling challenges, let's check out the bed, the workhorse of any truck. This one offers some impressive dimensions: 1,564 mm in length, 1,584 mm in width, and 540 mm in height. Whether you're hauling camping gear, bikes, or building materials, this bed can handle it all. But size isn't everything. The Wildtrak is built for serious off-road capability. Check out this wheelbase of 3,270 mm. This provides exceptional stability and control, no matter the road conditions. And let's not forget the impressive ground clearance of 235 mm. That means you can conquer rocks, navigate through mud, and ford rivers with a water-wading depth of up to 800 mm. Under the hood lies the heart of the Wildtrak, a powerful 2.0-liter bi-turbo diesel engine. This engine packs a serious punch. We're talking a maximum power of 210 horsepower at 3,750 revolutions per minute and a staggering 500 Newton-meters of torque delivered between 1,750 and 2,000 revolutions per minute. That's enough muscle to get you up any mountain and through any obstacle course. The two turbochargers work together to deliver impressive power across the entire rev range, giving you smooth acceleration and effortless towing. All this power needs a smooth operator, and that's where the 10-speed automatic transmission comes in. It seamlessly shifts gears, ensuring a comfortable and efficient ride on any terrain. With a fuel tank capacity of 80 liters and meeting Euro 4 emission standards, you can explore further and tread lighter on the environment. The Wildtrak offers a surprisingly comfortable and well-equipped cabin. This truck features a double wishbone suspension in the front and leaf springs in the rear, providing a balance between comfort and off-road capability. Never miss a spot while parking or maneuvering with the 360-degree camera. Load up your gear effortlessly with the help of sports bar and roof rails. Take on any terrain with confidence thanks to selectable drive modes. And for those heavy items in the back, the tailgate lift assist makes loading and unloading a breeze.
Thank you for watching. And please do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell.